Welcome to my channel! It's me, Lynn! Our video for today is the walking tour from Intramuros to Binondo. Let us start our walk from Intramuros from Cathedral. This is the bridge where the Intramuros and the Binondo connects. It's warm, sunny day. Walking.
Ganda pala ng bridge na to. Ngayon ko lang nakita.
The bridge have a pathway for the bicycles and for people to walk. This is separate from the pathway or road for the cars.
Ay, kasi pagdali ng sirang tubig na, ang ganda. Ang ganda, dapat lang ito may pataas. Ang ganda, oh.
Our first destination is the Binondo Church. There is also a wishing corner outside the church. You can light a candle at the corner. A little bit walk and you will find the Ying Ying Tea House. We take our lunch here. The full video will follow.
Yung kape. Nakuha?
The big outlet of Eng Biten, I will upload the full video later. Chuanki Restaurant is one of the luckiest restaurant in Binondo. Look at the queue of the customers waiting for their table. You can bring your car in Binondo, but good luck for the parking. The feel here in Binondo is just like I am in Hong Kong. Going to Binondo, you must not be full so that you can taste most of the food, and they are budget friendly. Lord's Toast Bakery, the best egg tart. Feels like I am in Macau when I'm eating the egg tart. One of the outlet of Mr. Ube. Lord's Toast can be dine-in or take out, but most coming here, they buy and then take away. Lord's Toast Egg Tart is one of the best pasalubong. You can buy the egg tart per piece or per box, different size of box. Let us discover the frog that tastes like chicken. Food trip, Binondo is the best place. Mostly of the food here are affordable and yummy.
Ang daming tao.
The setup of the restaurants here are like in Hong Kong. Oh, sorry, we are not able to find a table for us. The fried siopaw. They sell Chinese foods, cooked and uncooked, pre-cooked. People here are long queue, but today not that much, that not long. The fried siopaw and Shanghai have no dine-in, only take-out. Seller of Lucky Charm. Binondo is a place for an old and a new. will find the oldest building and new building. In Binondo, you can not only find foods that are Chinese delicacies or Chinese foods, you will also see the best technology here.
Sikat na yung dragon.
Look, the Power Mac have two-story branch or store outlet.
Excited sa mga doon, yung naman sa dulo. Yung Poland, hindi sa hanapin natin.
Our last destination is Poland Bakery. The Poland Bakery, not only one branch in Binondo, they have three. The hopia in Poland is also best for pasalubong. The Poland Hopia Factory is one of the best hopia. They also serve meals inside the store. There are a lot of flavors of hopia. They have also flavors of tikoy.